Hey everyone! The unable to connect to Nvidia error in GeForce Experience or the new Nvidia app usually happens when background services crash or when a Windows update interferes with the driver's network verification. In my case here, I'm using an AMD driver as an example. Step 1. Restart Nvidia services. We are starting with the Windows Services menu. We do this to refresh the background processes that handle the app's internet connection. Press Win+R, type services.msc and hit Enter. Locate NVIDIA Display Container LS and NVIDIA Local Container. In my case here, AMD External Events Utility. Right-click each one and select Restart. If they aren't running, click Start. Step 2. Check for Windows Update conflicts. In 2026, a specific Windows update has been known to cause deadlocks and connection errors with NVIDIA drivers. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, then Update History. If you see KB5074109 and are experiencing issues, consider clicking Uninstall Updates to remove it until a more stable patch is released. Alternatively, check if the optional update KB504105 is available, as it was designed to fix similar graphics-related bugs. Step 3. Reinstall or update manually. We are finishing at the NVIDIA website. We do this to bypass the app's internal updater entirely if it's still failing to connect. Go to nvidia.com/drivers and manually search for your specific GPU. Choose a clean installation in the installer options. This wipes your old settings and replaces the buggy app with a fresh version. If you are still using the older GeForce Experience, consider downloading the new Nvidia app, which replaced it in 2024 and features a more robust connection engine. I hope this helps you out, and I see you in the next one.